Here is a really short how-to. In this case, it's a how to check the front differential fluid level on a four-wheel drive BMW. In this case, I have an E90 325 Xi four-wheel drive model naturally. Well, here's how to check the front differential fluid level. So you have to get the car up in the air on stands or a lift or whatever you have. Then you have to remove the front left wheel. You have to remove the filler plug, and that plug is a 14mm hex. So if you have any kind of a wrench, in this case I have this made in Japan L-shaped hex. So the filler plug for the front differential is sitting just next to the axle. So this plug can be tight. This wrench is perfect length and everything, but if you have a socket with whatever tool you have, as long as it fits. I already loosened up, and it's not difficult to really reach. And here's the plug. So once you remove the plug, you can check the fluid level. The car needs to be leveled naturally, so the level of the fluid is up to the filler plug. So if you see the fluid dripping out once you remove the plug, that means it's good. If it's empty, that means it's not good. So this plug has a rubber O-ring, and that may need to be replaced if it's not good enough anymore. If it's still good, you really don't have to do anything. The plug goes back in, and that is how you check the front differential fluid level on a four-wheel drive BMW. If you also need to do the fluid replacement and the front differential, not just the fluid level check, here's the drain plug. So it's just right on the bottom of the front differential. So here's the oil pan, and here's the front differential, and this is the drain plug. It's also a hex, 14mm, so well, there is nothing special about draining the fluid, I guess, because this is as straightforward as it can be. Like I said, 14mm hex. Remove the plug, drain the fluid, put the plug back in. Don't forget to undo the filler plug first, because if you don't, it's a struggle and you can never remove that one, and you remove the drain plug, then you may have a bit of a situation. Well, that's pretty much what it takes to check the front differential fluid level or replace it. The engine is here. This is the left side axle. No,